Good morning. Welcome to Digital Learning Day 7. Today I want to make sure that everybody knows how to view their feedback. You have several different assignments to do today. For reading and writing, your assignment is to view your feedback for this assignment that we had yesterday and make corrections. Now, if you had earned a 100%, you don't have to do anything for reading and writing today. For math today, you're going to be doing a new perimeter Nearpod lesson right here. And then when you finish that, you're going to be looking at your quiz from yesterday, seeing how you did and making corrections. Social studies, you have a book to read. Science, you're going to be going back to your assignment for yesterday. Now, if all you do is click on the assignment for yesterday, here's a link right here. So if I click that, it's going to take me. It does not show you what your score was. It does tell you that you finished 1 out of 2 times, but it doesn't tell you any feedback. It doesn't tell you what you earned. So what you're going to do to view your feedback, you go up here to Activities. After you click on Activities, you're going to click on Quizzes because that's where we are working in. Once you click on Quizzes, it's going to take you into this, all right? So if you're not sure what you earn on the branches of government, the Blue Ridge Mountains, the Looking for Animals, or any of these other ones, this is where you can see it. I've been emailing your parents to let you know if you do need to redo things, but I want you to be able to do it on your own. So right here, it says Evaluation Status. It tells you how many attempts that you've done, so this means you've done it 1 out of 3 times. That means you have up to 3 times to do it, or 2 times, and so on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at our reading/writing assignment for today, the narrative writing activity that we started yesterday. So if you click over here next to feedback, it says on attempt. We're going to click right there. And on attempt, it shows you your score. Now, if you earned a 100% on this, great job. You don't have to do anything else for reading and writing today. But I do want you to click on attempt 1 right here. This is going to show you what I type on there. So you can see that I said great job. If I say anything besides great job right here, look and see what I said. I might say reread the passage. I might say correct your capitalization. Look back at your punctuation. Great dialogue. See what I said to do and make corrections based on that. Again, you're going to do that for all of the things, all the assignments we've done so far, or all the assignments we did yesterday. Again, so get to it, go to Activities, Quizzes, and you're going to do that today for your elapsed time quiz, your narrative writing assignment, and your upper coastal plain assignment. Again, you click over here on attempts and go from there. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me.